8th class. Now here we will discuss about the second example of the chemical reaction, that is burning of the methane in the air. So class, in that reaction the methane reacts with the atmospheric oxygen. Now class, as you know that the process of the burning takes place in the presence of the oxygen. So class, here this is the methane CH4. So class, CH4 actually indicates the methane, and just you can see the structure of the methane as well. Here the central carbon actually attaches 4 hydrogen with it to form the methane. Now class, here the 1 mole of the methane reacts with the 2 mole of the atmospheric oxygen or the diatomic oxygen. Class, now just look at this. Here the O2 represents the 2 atom of the oxygen, but here the 2 moles of the oxygen is utilized in that reaction. It means that there are total 4 oxygen atoms take part in that reaction, in which the burning of the methane takes place in the presence of the excess of the oxygen. So class, just look at this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. It means that there are 4 hydrogen atom take part in that reaction. Just look at this. Here this is the 1 diatomic oxygen molecule, and here this is the second diatomic oxygen molecule. Okay, so class, when the 1 mole of the methane reacts with the 2 moles of the oxygen, now class, in that reaction actually the 2 oxygen molecule reacts with the carbon atom of the methane, and when the 2 oxygen atoms reacts with the 1 carbon atom of the methane, so it get converted into the carbon dioxide with the formula CO2. And here you can see the structure. Here the central carbon attaches to oxygen on the side. So here this is the formation of the carbon dioxide takes place. Now class, what will be the remaining atom? Here the 2 oxygen atoms are remaining and the 4 hydrogen atoms are remaining. So class, these 2 oxygen atom reacts with the 4 hydrogen atom to form the 2 mole of the water. So class, here just look at this. Here this is the 1 molecule of the water in which the oxygen attaches 2 hydrogen, and here this is the second molecule of the water is formed with the formula H2O. So class, when the methane reacts with the 2 moles of the oxygen, the rearrangement takes place, and as a result of the rearrangement the carbon dioxide is produced and the 2 mole of the water are produced. Now class, the methane and the oxygen here act as a reactant because they react together, they rearrange themselves to form the product like the carbon dioxide and the water. So carbon dioxide and water that are produced as a result of the reaction between the methane and the oxygen, so carbon dioxide and the water act as a product.